On this video, I'm going to show you a top secret that most YouTubers don't want you to know. I'm going to show you how you can create a video based on a viral niche that is evergreen and that will help you to grow faster and easily get monetized on YouTube. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can use viral music or sounds on YouTube without getting the copyright strike. So let's begin. First, what's that secret I told you about? See, so many guys on YouTube are making crazy money from faceless AI channels, but they won't let you know that. Now, how can you join these guys that are making this crazy money? One way is by using this site. Go to this site that is called vidIQ. Some call it vidIQ or vidIQ, whatever you call it. Okay, it's still the same. So when you come here, go to this site. Every day you can find ideas, you can find trending topics that you can use. This is where most creators get their ideas before they upload their videos. So you can get these ideas and create your own videos. So this means that if you want to go viral on YouTube, you don't have to focus on your passion. You don't have to focus on making videos on what you love, but find that viral niche, find that viral topic and create videos on there. That is how you scale. Now, what are these viral niche and how can you create videos on them? One of them is animal channel. Animal channel is an evergreen, monetization friendly, and is universally acceptable. But one problem with animal niche is that you can easily get stuck or burn out because you have to be careful so you don't make videos that YouTube will ban, block, or that have copyright issues. You have to deal with issues with child abuse or animal abuse. So you have to take time to create animal videos. But that's not the same with motivational videos. If you want to create motivational content, it is way easier. So what you can just do is when you go to Pixabay, you can get videos or images that you can use, free images that you can use to animate on Grok and make your videos. So go to Pixabay and go down here and go to free images. Now over here you can type what image you're looking for. All right, you can type what image you are looking for, the free ones, free images that have no copyright issue. All right, that have no copyright issue. Then you can search out the particular one that you want, whether it has to do with sport, it has to do with motivation. You want people that are in a gym or something, then you can search and get it. All right, so when you're done getting the image, what do? If you want, you can then go to Grok AI. I want this video to be very short, so I will not be doing most of the thing, but I'll just tell you how you can go about this. So go to Grok AI, then you can upload the image. After downloading it, you can then choose to animate this image. Now, how do you upload your images here? When you come here, this is where you go to. Click on this, okay, click on this and then click on animate images. It will now take you to your gallery where you will upload that particular image that you want to animate. Now when you're done animating the image, that is, you tell the image if you want them to run, let's assume that it's this one now. Okay, let's upload this. So I can just say something like this: men running on a track. All right, good. And then all right, so once it's done creating this video, it has turned the image now to a video. We can decide to create more videos. All right, finally we take these videos to CapCut. All right, CapCut app, where we can edit it, add transitions, add a voiceover or whatever and make it more good. Now, if you want to use voiceover, you can choose to use 11 Lab. 11 Lab is actually the best. But the problem with 11 Lab is that after you're done using the free versions, you'll be asked to buy. So you need to pay before you can use more of the tools that they have. All right, it's good. So it's done with this. So once it's done with this, we just have to download it. All right, you can decide to remove the sound on CapCut, or you can decide to keep it, but sometimes it may not sound too good. All right, so you can decide to use voiceover from Speechma. Speechma is also realistic. All right, but it's not as good as a level up, but it's better than most. But Speechma give you more than 2,000 words or something, so it's higher. And if your video is way longer, let's say like 5-10 minutes longer, you can cut the uh, text to speech, cut your text half, you understand, okay, into 3 or 4, so that you can do it one after the other, and then later you can add them one after the other on CapCut. So when you're done with that and you want to post it, if you want to use the trendy sounds on YouTube, this is the last thing I told you I'll show you. If you want to use the trendy sound on YouTube, what you just do is this. When you go to YouTube app, you go to add sound, right? You go to add sound, then you can decide the sounds that you want to use. But now this is very important. This is very important. Let's add like we want to work. Okay, so good. Okay, it will not allow me because I'm using my mic. Now look at this place above where it says try this sound. Okay, this is where you add sound. You can decide to remove this one, okay, or add another one that you want. Now if you're adding sound, please make sure that your video is not above 60 seconds. If your video is above 60 seconds, YouTube will block that video as copyright. But if your video is shorter, it is better because YouTube will not block it. It will allow you to use that sound. But please, this is a top secret I'm going to tell you guys now. Very important. If you're uploading video on YouTube and you want it to go viral, especially short, don't make it too long. Don't make it too long. The shorter the better. If it's too short, then people can easily watch and rewatch, trying to understand what is happening there. You can also drop a comment on that video. You can also drop a comment. Please, always when you post your video, drop a comment and also drop a like. And if people comment, quickly rush. If you see that comment, quickly rush and comment, and also like and love that comment that is dropped. That way you can make the algorithm to know that this video is good, the people are loving it, people are liking it. That way you can get more reach. Hope you learned something from this video, guys. See you next time.